We haven't been outside
No.
since this morning, so.
Looking out the window, it seemed beautiful, but then we got reports from people who actually stood out there that it got really cold in that wind.
Yeah, it was an interesting day, that's for sure, because exactly right. There was blue sky sort of here and there, but there was a brittle, cold wind coming out of the northwest, which I'll have more on in a second. But there was also these. So every once in a while, there was a cell. There was a report in Victoria. This was from Maple Ridge, and it was basically a very brief downpour. The temperature dropped significantly, almost looked like snow on the ground, and then it moved on, and then there was a little bit of blue sky. But we still do have a wind warning in effect. You likely felt that cold northwest wind today. So far, we have not seen gusts up to 90 kilometers an hour, but there's still the potential. But these are the wind warnings. So purple is a wind warning. These areas in green, a little bit less, 70 kilometer an hour winds. And that's just through the evening hours. Things are going to settle down overnight. But here's a look at where we're at right now. So we're seeing gusts up to about 78 kilometers an hour for Metro Vancouver. So it's mainly near the water. There is a chance we could still see power outages. There's a couple thousand without power, maybe delays in the ferries, but likely not. Overall, as I mentioned, things are going to clear out. We've also had a bit of wet snow in the Malahat area, and that's going to clear out overnight. So sunshine on the way for tomorrow, but it's going to get very cold. We'll drop down to -1 overnight tonight, and we are expecting a frosty start to the day and warming up to only highs of about 5 degrees for Metro Vancouver. Staying below freezing in the Caribou Central Interior, 2 degrees in Kelowna and Kamloops, 6s and 7s, 5s across Vancouver Island, and for Metro Vancouver, we'll likely see highs of only 5 degrees. But at least it comes with sunshine. Now on Wednesday, we are expecting more cloud cover, and so temperatures are going to remain cool. So we've got 2 chilly days on the way before we start to warm up and the rainfall pushes back in. Tonight's Central Windows weather window coming to you from South Delta. George Jr. sending that to us from the weekend. We had some beautiful sunsets over the weekend. So thanks to George for sharing that with us. Okay, you two, back to you.
I feel like that picture needs Kenny G.
Oh.
Like
yeah, little. What does he play? The clarinet?
No, the.
What is it?
Saxophone?
I don't. Is he? I don't know.
I don't know, but it needs something
so
like
musical.
that.
If it doesn't have drums and guitar, I don't know.
It needs some sort of soft rock,
yeah,
adult contemporary thing going on there. All right, if you ask